Hi guys, Kandi Toy Box here. Today I'm going to show you some different ways to attach toys to Kandi. And the pieces I have were all given to me. And these are some of my vintage toys from my toy box. So for this cuff, really you just have to get creative with the toys. So for this one, you can use the neck to tie on. And this is like a little dangle. This one, just, wait a minute. Yeah, it's just in the opening right here. On his arm, this one's attached. And this Teletubby has a little hole. So that makes it easier when they have a little hole. Okay, for this one, Blue is attached by his neck on the cuff. So you can just make a little necklace. And attach your toy. This one's really cute. Okay, this one, it looks like they used a needle and poked through to make holes to attach this. I love this one. It has these little stickers in there. Cute. But yeah, you can make your own holes. Now, same with this. They used a needle and poked through both sides. And then if I was to attach this one, I would probably poke a hole through one of these. And if I was going to attach this one, I would probably go across here. And you could always use clear string. I would probably use clear string because I wouldn't want to cover up her cute little belly. Yeah, I would go around the neck here. This one would be pretty easy on the neck. These are my glowworms. These are so cute. I don't know what I would do. Maybe make holes through it with a needle. I haven't wanted to use these. I don't want to poke holes in them. I might just keep these as is. But in this one, I would probably attach by the feet. But really, with adding toys to Kandi, you just need to get creative. Yeah, anytime you can go around the neck, that would probably be the best bet. Or to make your own holes. And I really like this idea here. Because if I wanted, I could easily take this toy off. But I hope that helps give you guys some ideas on how to attach some candy or toys to candy. There's no right or wrong way. You'll just have to play around with it. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one.